Up in here today. So today we are all out of washers right now. Washer means the thing that the screw is holding, but instead we are using some kind of coins to put that in there. But
no, these are just regular washers. No.
Oh, okay. No. It should be fine.
Oh yeah, no.
Yes.
This thing ain't going nowhere.
Yes, this thing. So this thing is never going nowhere. It stays on the wall just like this.
Business. We are
good?
in business. We're good.
So yeah, I think the TV needs a cable. So let me go ahead and. This is strong. Look, this thing is never gonna go nowhere.
Never gonna go nowhere. Work on your English. So how much time you spend in school?
Don't know. So, what is it?
I need your help with the TV.
Sure. So, the TV should be like this. Hold on. It's really big? Okay. So I have to carry like one hand, right?
You gotta carry with 2 hands.
Okay. Okay, so as you can see now we're installing a new unit. We're installing a new TV.
Yeah, they should fit right over top.
They should?
Yeah. If not,
yeah, I see.
Yeah, these things over there. Yeah, we should put that there. My other builders were working on this.
No, okay. Set it down.
They don't fit?
No. We'll set it down right here.
I never heard of this. Hold on.
Be very careful.
Okay, so he's putting the things right onto it, onto the back of the TV. So basically, if he's done putting some screws onto its own hole, we'll be going ahead and to install the TV onto its own plate. Okay, so as you can see, it's on there with all the screws and stuff. All right, I'll see you in the next one. All right, so as you can see, he's hanging on to the TV because as you can see, he put bars that are on it. So let's go on the back. I think he's installing it really well. Here she goes. Yep.
That's it. Okay.
All right, all good to go. All right, so he's rotating the TV and see how it's supposed to fit. There he goes. All right, I think it's done already, huh? Rotating the TV. I think the TV needs a cable, actually. Does the TV need a cable or something?
Yes, it will. It also needs to be wiped down.
Okay.
But it's installed.
Okay.
The hardest part is done.
All right.
How does it look from the couch?
That sounds really cool. You can like see the couches from here on the TV. That sounds good. And then I'm gonna wait.
Pretty good.
We're gonna wait for the cable to come, and then that's it. So.
Mara, are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's good.
It looks
It's
good.
not falling off the wall.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's no. Yeah, it's very perfect.